modifications. And this, I'm doing these little show and tell things for you because, they pop up from time to time and it's worth talking about. So this part of the cylinder head was very clean. This part was very dirty. So what Paul did is he went ahead and cleaned it all up, and you can see it's very clean. He did a nice job prepping it. And he did the same thing to the block. You can see that that's nice and clean. But I want to point out something very specific, and it's right here. It's really hard to get in here and clean up this area, right in here. To get around this and clean it up so that this is flat and the gasket and the head and the block all mate well. So what we'll be doing is we'll be taking a large drill and chamfering these holes. We'll be putting a 45-degree angle on those holes to make it where it meets the head, to make it a little bit wider.
Just the one hole for the one stud that's...
No, we're going to do all of these. We'll chamfer all of these.
Okay.
What that does is it moves the clamping pressure away from the stud and distributes it more evenly across the engine. If it's dirty here and you go to bolt it all down, you're not going to get good clamping pressure. And that's what happened, is that this side of the engine, you can kind of see the corrosion that's here. This was really cruddy, and Paul's done a great job of cleaning that up. We want to make sure that he's got good clamping pressure so that the next gasket we put in will last longer. He didn't put this in. He bought it. We bought the car, and then it's failed. So here it is.
Wow.
And this engine and that engine are almost identical. Really? This is a 1.8. That's a 1.5, but a lot of parts interchange between the two. This is actually a very old engine design. Been around for a long time. This is the MGB engine, and it works just fine. I just decided to blow a head gasket. And of course he got really upset. No, he didn't actually. He just bought parts and it'll be back on the road tomorrow. Mechanics can do that sort of thing.